Take a pan and add chocolate powder, liquid milk and dark chocolate. Mix it well. Keep this pan on medium to low flame for 5 minutes or until boils. After boiling, keep it aside for cool. Chocolate milk is ready. Take 5 to 6 bread slices and add condensed milk and chocolate milk and chop it well. Dish out chopped material and cover with lid and keep it in refrigerator for 2 hours. Put chocolate in a bowl that will fit over the top of the pot of water on low flame. Place the bowl in the water, stirring very often until melted. Chocolate is ready. Keep it aside to cool. After 2 hours, remove the lid and make small balls. Make small balls of diameter of 3 to 4 centimeters or whatever size you want. Taste these balls and you will enjoy the milky chocolate taste. Dip the balls in the melted hard chocolate one by one and garnish with colorful sprinkles. Keep them on another plate, milky chocolate inside and dark chocolate outside. Rest to coated balls for 2 hours in refrigerator. Balls are ready.